Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to make wavy text on your phone. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is go into Fonto, and then I just chose this salmon color background, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's not white because we're going to have to remove the background anyway. And then I just wrote wavy text as the text because it's just a tutorial, but you can obviously write whatever you want. And then obviously pick whatever font and then just style it how you want it to be styled for the wavy text. And yeah. So then you're going to want to save it to your camera roll. And then I have this app called Background Eraser. It's free on the App Store. So this is just what I use to erase and make all my PNGs, I guess. So then I just erased the salmon colored background. So then I was left with the PNG. Then you're going to open up Cut Pro, and I just had to blur this part out because all my projects were saved. But then you're going to make a green screen background, and then you're going to select the photo from your camera roll. That's why it was blurred out in that part too. So then I just made this 10 seconds long because that's just the standard length. Then you're just going to save that to your camera roll. So then you're going to get an app called Mega Photo. It's also free on the App Store. And then you're going to select that filter 129. And then you're going to press the little caret on the bottom of the screen, and then you're going to press the little green button. That way you can open up your camera roll and select the video. So here I just pressed it down with my fingers so then it would be wavy as I was recording it. But I didn't record the part where I pressed it down, if that makes sense. And then when you're done recording it, just press the stop record button and then it'll automatically save to your camera roll. So then go ahead and open up Cut Pro again. Go back to the same green screen you had, select the video, so it's a green screen on top of a green screen. And now we're just going to get rid of the little Mega Photo watermark in the corner. So I'm just zooming in and adjusting it until the watermark is gone. So now we're done with it. So then you're just going to export it to your camera roll. And then if you want to use it, you can use it at Pocket Video, which is free on the App Store. So it's easy for y'all to use. So I hope y'all enjoyed my video and thanks for watching.